to have 3 axles, right? Like in the Pullman, they had 3 axles. Then they went to stainless steel, which was lightweight. You could get away with two. When you see the Pullman, I point that out. You have 3 axles. It's just so much heavier. This is what I wanted to describe. This is called an F7 model for Santa Fe, and it's got the classic war bonnet logo on it. It was built in 1949. I don't know if the number had anything to do with that, but it was built in 1949, and passenger train, and about 1,700 horsepower. And we're gonna. This is an operational vehicle. This actually works, and that's how we pushed, pulled, towed the big boy into position and the Centennial, because they were down the track a bit, and we probably towed them about 200 to 300 yards back in October, just recently. So we have just bought another one of these, and when you have a nose like that on the train, it's called, in train lingo, an A unit, and then you have an auxiliary power there, that gray with the portholes, that's called a B unit. So the very popular configuration for Santa Fe was ABA, having the two noses at the end and the auxiliary power in the middle. This gives them extra power. That is not powered. That's been kind of gutted and stripped for parts, but that's what it would have done. It would have given extra power to the diesel to go over mountains and heavy terrain.
The U-boat times.
We have an engineer that paid, licensed engineer. He comes up back in October. He came back and they ran this. They switched this, and he came forward over on the western eastern side of the yard, and he pushed the big boy and tender, and pushed the Centennial into place. I wasn't here, but told me it took about 15 minutes to melt the day. Especially the weight. I mean, the big boy has a whole weight.